Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit audio in PowerDirector Mobile. So if you want your videos to sound clear, professional, and noise-free, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can edit audio like a pro using PowerDirector, the volume control, noise remover, and audio ducking all in one app. So the first step, you can just open a PowerDirector and import your clip. So tap on new project in here. And here click on the plus icon to add the media. So for example, I'm going to add this video in here. Click on next. Now to adjust the audio volume, you can just tap on your video, and here at the bottom you can see the volume option. Now you can drag the slider to increase or decrease the sound like this. And for a pro tip, you can keep a voice between 70 up to 80% for clarity and avoid distortion. So I'm going to just go with 70. Now you can go back, and to remove the background noise, you can just select your clip again and then go to the audio tool in here and choose the denoise options. And here you can turn on the noise reduction. You can adjust the slider for a balance, and too high might make the voice sound robotic, so you need to preview it before saving. I'm going to just go with 60. Let's go back again. And last one, if you want to apply audio ducking, so if you have background music, you can select your music track. So I'm going to add the audio first in here. Let's say let's say this one in here. I'm going to click on a plus button. So now you can just tap on the audio in here and click on the audio ducking to apply it. Okay, you can just click on apply, and that's it. So the PowerDirector automatically lowers the background music when someone speaks. You can also add fade in and fade out for music. You can just tap on your track and choose the audio effects and choose fade in or out. So that's how you can edit, clean, and balance your audio perfectly in PowerDirector Mobile. Now your videos will sound just as good as they look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.